Hi, this is Matt Hillebrand. I'm with Don's Appliances, taking a look at an LG kitchen suite. So this is a black stainless suite of some of the most popular LG models we're selling. We're selling a lot in the stainless steel color, but we're also selling a lot in the black stainless. The beauty of the black stainless is it's a little bit softer, so to speak, in terms of reflection of light versus the stainless. May go a little bit better with some of the color choices you have in your kitchen. So let me just dive right in and we'll take a look at some of the models. First model we want to look at is the air fry LG range, model LGRL 5823D. As you notice, it's got a nice blue interior, much like the higher end ranges. So you are going to get that high end feel inside the oven. You have convection as an option, as well as the air fry. If you do buy this range, I highly recommend you buy the air fry rack. It's about an $80 accessory. We try to include it as part of the sale of the range. So we add that $80 accessory on top of the range price so that you have it. You cannot get it if you don't want to, but I highly recommend it. A couple other features on this range. You're going to have over 20,000 BTU burner, right front corner. You're going to have a griddle, which will come standard. It also comes with the grate below. Some other manufacturers, you have to buy this grate separate. This comes standard on this range. So it's a very, very popular range for us. We sell a ton in the stainless steel color, as well as the black stainless. One other thing, you do have a small storage area here at the very bottom. It's really good for cookie sheets or maybe a casserole dish. So, heading on to the microwave. This is actually one of the step-up microwaves. So this is a model LMV 2031 in the black stainless. And as you'll notice, it's got the darkened interior. It's very easy to wipe out. Comes with a carousel. You do have a rack, so if you do want to do two separate things at one time, you can do that. Or you can remove the rack, hit the turntable off, and you can put a 13x9 casserole dish right on this rack, or excuse me, right on the carousel. Or you can insert the rack back in and set it on the rack. Another nice feature about this microwave, it's got a 400 CFM blower, 4-speed vent system, so it is a very, very powerful system. One thing I always want to make note on the microwaves, they don't work as well. The over-the-range microwaves don't work as well in terms of ventilation as a traditional hood. But at 400 CFMs, this is going to be the most powerful you can get. Next piece we want to look at is the LG dishwasher. It's going to have a handle to match everything. This model is the LDT 7808. This will have the quad wash, which you're going to have 4 different levels of washing in this. Stainless steel interior. You've got a nice bottom rack that's wide open. The silverware basket can be moved from either the side or in the back. You can put it in the front as well. You'll see there are tines that are movable, okay? So depending on what you're putting in, pots and pans, dishes, casserole dishes, cookie sheets, you've got a lot of flexibility. This particular middle rack is nice. It's on roller glides, and then it does have your adjustments. Okay, so there's different wash level adjustments on this unit. And as you'll notice, there are wine glass holders here on the side. Okay, and those could be folded up and slid down so that if you do have taller glasses and things, you can utilize that. And then our very top rack, we can utilize this for silverware. It does have the ability to adjust up or down, so if you do have, let's say, a ladle or a large serving spoon, you can utilize the left side of this top rack. At 42 decibels, this is also a very quiet unit, so great choice. Last piece I want to look at is the French door LG refrigerator, and it's also going to have the clear glass look. What's nice about this particular model, this is a model LRFVC 2406. This unit is very well laid out. There's a lot of great lighting inside. As I said, we do have the InstaView, which when you tap on the glass, it'll turn on the LED. so that you can see what's inside, so you have quick access to anything here on the door. This is great for kids. So if the kids have juice or if they have any of their snacks, you can put them right here. They don't have to open the whole refrigerator. So it's kind of cool, right? So I should probably show it like that, so they can have quick access. You have ice and water on the door on the left side. The ice maker is actually right here, okay? So it doesn't make a whole lot of ice, but this unit does have craft ice in the bottom. Cool feature. So it does have a second ice maker. So this is a little craft ice ball, which will come as a second ice maker in this unit. And what's cool is we've got the little LEDs in here showing how cool it is. So that would be in the bottom. One thing I always want to point out, it does take quite a while to fill up the bin. So it takes longer to make that solid sphere ice versus traditional ice. So don't be alarmed when it's not making a ton of ice as soon as you get this unit. It takes a while to replenish, so just keep that in mind. Jumping back, we've got the Glide and Serve storage drawer. Great for lunch meats, cheeses, yogurts, small items. Great drawer here at the bottom. And what's nice, on the side, you can select whether you're putting produce in there, deli, or meats. So that'll control the temperature. You also have 2 humidity control crispers, and you've got slides on each drawer, which will control the humidity. Higher humidity is for vegetables, lower is for fruits, okay? A couple other things on this. This has a spill-proof shelf, but this will fold back. So if you have a bottle of wine, if you by chance have an open 2-liter bottle of soda, you can set that there, no problem. These are all adjustable as well. Just jumping back to the freezer real quick. This unit, and actually this unit's a cabinet depth. I probably should have pointed that out at the beginning. What that means is that only the doors stick out past the cabinetry. So you may have noticed inside the refrigerator, it's not real deep. I apologize, I should have mentioned that earlier. It's not going to be real deep because this unit is only 24 inches deep to the cabinet, and then the doors will stick out past the cabinetry. So LG does make similar models in much deeper units, which will also be bigger cubic footage, but keep in mind that'll stick further out in the kitchen, and it may or not be something that you want to be exposed in your particular application. And as we jump back in, you've got the craft ice will be in the top left corner, so it's great. You will have the standard type ice in your refrigerator. You've got great storage here. The middle rack, what's nice about this, you can put pizza boxes in there, you can put vegetable bags, you can even put tater tots or French fry bags in there. So it's pretty versatile. Slide that away, and what you're gonna have is you're gonna have a little bit of storage here on the bottom, and what I say by little, it's not as deep as what a lot of people are used to, because it's a cabinet depth refrigerator. If we were to go with a bigger version, it's gonna be much deeper, and it's gonna have a larger area in the bottom. But still has great storage. If you have any questions on any of these LG products, which are typically in stock, so check our website, donsappliances.com. Go to our any 11 locations, or just pick up the phone and call one of our locations. Thank you for watching.